We'll continue with the simple papers. So today is question number 24. Question number 24. It is find area of the region bounded by the parabola. Find area of the region bounded by the parabola y square is 8x and the line x equals to 2 and the line x equals to 2. It's a very simple question. Say y square is 4x, so simply you sketch a graph here. This is suppose y square is 8x, then x equals to 2, 1, 2. Draw a line. So what you find? Two parts. I have told you parabola is symmetrical about the axis, so this is symmetrical about your x-axis. Okay, because closed with x-axis. So 0 to 2, 2 times the area. The area equals to 2 times 0 to 2. 2 times because there are two parts and closed with the x-axis, so y dx. Y dx. Then what is y? Y is root over of 8x. That means 2 times 0 to 2, 8. 8 is 2 root 2. And x to the power half dx. Get it from here. So that will be 2 2s are 4. 8, 4 root 2. And x to the power half plus 1 by half plus 1, 0 to 2. So that gives you 4 root 2. This is 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3. X to the power 3 by 2, 0 to 2. So 8 root 2 by 3, 2 to the power 3 by 2 minus 0. 0 का power anything is 0. So that gives you 2 to the power 3 by 2. 8 root 2 by 3, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power half. That means 8 root 2, 2 root 2. That is 16. 16 to is 32. 32 by 3 square unit. Okay. Then see the next question. That is solve the following differential equation. Simple questions are there. You should have the basic knowledge. Question number 25. Solve the following differential equation. How to solve? What is given the question? dy by dx equals to x cube cosec y. y1 equals to 0. Means you will get a particular solution. So what is the method? How will you start? First you try with separation of variable. Means x dx together, y dy together. So you are getting dy by cosec y equals to x cube dx. This is called separation of variable. The 1 by cosec y is sec y. Sec y integration, sorry, cos y. cos y, sorry, 1 by cosec is sin y dy. This is x to the power 4 by 4 nth formula, then plus constant of integration. What is the integration of sin y? Minus cos y, x to the power 4 by 4 plus c. This is your general solution. You have to find a particular solution because this is given. Means y equals to 0, x is 1. y1 0 means the meaning of y1 0 means y 0 x equals to 1. Put here y is 0 x is 1. What will you find? Implies minus cos 0 is 1 by 4 plus c. Cos 0 is 1, minus 1 by 4 is c. So c equals to minus 5 by 4. Therefore minus cos y equals to x to the power 4 by 4 minus 5 by 4. Solution? Okay. Then obviously question will be from vector chapter, I think. Yeah. Find area of the parallelogram. Find area of the parallelogram whose one side and a diagonal. Interesting question, important question for you. Whose one side and a diagonal are represented by co-initial vectors, represented by co-initial vectors. I minus j plus k and 4i plus 5k respectively. Okay. Be clear about this question. There is parallelogram co-initial starts from same point. Means if this side is given, suppose I minus j plus k, co-initial means here started from here, diagonal also has to start from here, d or d1. How much? 4i plus 5k. So this and this is given. Very interesting. Look at here. Area of parallelogram this is for your reference. This is d1, this is d2, this is a, this is b. Either it is a cross b modulus or it is half d1 cross d2 modulus. Either of this. Either both the diagonals are given or co-adjacent sides are given. Okay. So Here it is one side is given and one diagonal is given. So what you can do is, this is A, B, C, D. If I have to use this formula, then I must find out this side. Means this side B vector. This is B vector, this is also B vector. Vector law of addition, A vector. This is your P vector now, this one. So you can write that is AC equals to AB plus BC. Vector law of addition, AC, what are you going to write? 4I plus 5K. I plus 5K is I minus J plus K plus this one is your B vector. Subtract this minus this 3I, this will come this side plus J, this will come this side 4K equals to B. Therefore, area is A cross B. Okay, determinant form, find out. This is how to find I, J, K, A vector components 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1. B vector component 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4. You have to find out how much you get. This is I times I line determinant, remember, you have to forget I lines, minus 4 minus 1, minus 4 minus 1, minus J times J line, you have to forget 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 plus K times K line, you have to forget 1 plus 3 because minus is here, 1 plus 3. So how much it is? Minus 5I, this is your A cross B. 5I minus J plus 4K. But what you need? Modulus. So modulus of A cross B, modulus of A cross B, it is minus 5 square plus minus 1 square plus 4 square root of. It is 25, 1 plus 4. 30 square unit, sorry 16. Okay. Square unit. This is one question. Okay. See the next one. Next one is, this is very another question from plane. Question number 27. Find vector equation of the plane. Find vector equation of the plane which that passes through the point through the point 1, 0, 0. Okay, and contains the line it contains the line. Every year you get a question, meaning you should understand R equals to lambda j. So I'll take a Cartesian from your concept will be clear. Okay. To find equation of the plane, if it is passing through a point, first how will you start? A plane passes through a point means its normal should be there. Okay, so normally you find out how. Now this plane is containing a line. Look, let me extend it a bit. This plane contains a line. What is that line? R equals to AI plus B lambda j. Sorry. A vector plus lambda B vector. This is the form. Okay. The what I want to tell is this line will have a parallel vector. That is your B vector. A plus lambda in the line there is a point and a parallel vector. So when you talk about plane and line, we talk about plane's normal and line ka parallel vector. So what is this B vector? Now this is your B vector, lambda B. So lambda B means 0I plus 1j 0k. This you try to understand. So many things are coming in this. First, to find equation of a plane, if it is passing through a point, you need a normal. To find out the normal, you have to compare with the parallel vector of the line. What is the format of line? A plus lambda B. B vector is here. Where is R is lambda B here. So B vector is 0I, 1j, 0k. Then you compare A vector, B vector, what is the relation? They are perpendicular. So this dot, this equals to 0. Okay. So let me write down. What is equation of the plane? Formula. Equation of the plane. When point is given, I have write x minus x1 a, y minus y1 b, z minus z1 c equals to 0. What is this x1, y1, z1? This is your x1, y1, z1. Point. Then where is this ABC? This is given. We have to find ABC. ABC means ABC is here. Where? N vector. That N vector which you are finding is AI, BJ, CK. That means if you can find ABC using this relation, then your equation is ready. Okay, this implies x minus 1a, y minus 0b, z minus 0c equals to 0. What is that? x1, y1, z1, x1, y1, z1. You got it? Okay. Here you can write n is perpendicular to b. Here you can write n perpendicular to b. That means AI plus BJ plus CK dot 0I 1J 10K equals to 0. implies a into 0, b into 1, c into 0 equals to 0. Okay, then what you will get? This is 0, this is 0, this is 0. So b is also 0. Meanwhile b is 0. Parallel or perpendicular contains the line. Obviously contains the line is like this. The plane has a line here, contains the line, then plane normal is this. So there is obviously there is a relation, they are perpendicular here. So perpendicular means you can say here let me take this question again if something is there. Contains the line so we are getting A, B, C. A becomes 0, B becomes 0, B becomes 0, or if you go to vector form, that is R minus A vector dot n vector equals to 0. Here your A vector is 1 0 0 point, that is I plus 0 j 0 k. That means I, this gives you R minus I dot n equals to 0. N we have to find out. How to find n? N relation B, n is perpendicular to B. That is so let's find out from here. You are finding n perpendicular to B, that is n dot B equals to 0, implies n AI BJ CK dot 0I 01J plus K 0K equals to 0. Or you can say what is the, if this is origin or minus a dot n is 0, so the relation will come out I dot n that is I dot n is 0, then I dot n will be 0. Some tricky question, j dot n is 0, I dot n is 0, 0I plus lambda j, plain context. Oh, this is what? A point, any point A is on x-axis. Try to understand. Try to understand. This point is on x-axis. This is suppose y-axis. This is your z-axis. This is containing a line that is 1 0 0. This is your I, this is your j, this is your k. Okay, then the plane is containing a line. The plane is containing this one, and it is a normal n. It is a normal n. So I dot n will be 0, and any point on this direction cosine of a line are proportional. What is direction cosine of this line? Direction cosine of this line. Direction cosine of this line is 1 0 0 is any point. You have to visualize it. The complication is coming. You have to do a visualization here. It comes I and n vector. I and n vector. I and n vector. I is perpendicular to n. I dot, if this is a plane, that means this line will be, if this is in this form, so this n is perpendicular to I, n is perpendicular to j, so k and n will be in the same direction. So I dot n equals to 0, j dot n is also 0, then n will be parallel to k, n equals to k, that means you will get n equals to k, you will get, so r minus I dot n equals to 0 implies r minus I dot k equals to 0. So this is the situation. Okay, see the next question. Then comes up the next question. Next question is that is given that it's a probability distribution. So the question is from probability distribution, question number 28. A refrigerator box contains two milk chocolates, and 4 dark chocolates. 4 dark chocolates. Okay, 2 chocolates are drawn and random. 2 chocolates are drawn at random. Okay, find the probability distribution of find the probability distribution of number of milk chocolates. Number of milk chocolates. What is the most likely outcome? What is the most likely outcome? Okay, 2 and 4. Look, milk chocolates, dark chocolates, milk 2, dark 4, means total 6. Probability distribution of number of milk chocolates. So 2 are drawn. 2 chocolates are drawn. Then what is x equals to a random variable? What will be x? Possibility क्या है? The possibility will be 0. Both the times will get 0 chocolates or 1 chocolate or 2 chocolates. These are the random variables. Okay, what will be the probability? First you see probability of getting 1 chocolate. Probability of getting a chocolate. Suppose A, that is 2 of 6, 2 out of 6, that is 1 by 3. Then what is not getting? 1 minus PA, because you may get or may not get probability, that is 2 by 3. So what do you mean by x equals to 0 chocolate? Probability x equals to 0. So both the time you are not getting the chocolate, you are not getting you are getting the other one, means not part you are getting a naught, because 2 times you have done the experiment. So that will be 2 by 3, 2 by 3. It is 4 by 9. What do you mean by x is equal to 1 chocolate, milk chocolate you will get? Milk. 1 means first one you are getting, second you are not getting. Or first one you are not getting, second experiment you are getting. These are the possibilities. The first trial you may get a milk chocolate, second you don't get, or the first time you don't get a milk chocolate, second time you get. But this is same, so you can write 2 times. So that is 2 times. 2 times will be PA naught. So 2, 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3. This is also 4 upon 9. Okay. Then what do you mean by probability x equals to 2 times you will get milk chocolates? Means probability A. So probability A is 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 9. Okay, then what is most likely? First you try to see which one is most likely. Most likely is coming, both are same, 0 time and 1 time, because these are the maximum value. Okay, so first you write probability distribution x px, x value 0, 1, 2. This is 4 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 1 upon 9. Remember, total probability should be 1. Yeah, if you add these 3, it will be 1. The most likely means maximum value where it has come. This 2 has got maximum value. So most likely outcome, that is 0 times milk chocolate and 1 time milk chocolate. In both the cases the values are same. If out of these 3 one is maximum, then that one is take. Okay, then comes its OR part. OR part means question number 28, OR parts. Given that E and F are events, given that E and F are events such that PE is 0.8, PF is 0.7, PE intersection F 0.6. Find PE naught by condition F naught. Condition. Okay. Try to see the meaning of this. What is the meaning of this condition here? PE naught condition F. This is E naught F intersection PF condition, because conditional probability formula. Okay, this is De Morgan's law. You remember, there is a De Morgan's law. I'll remind you. The De Morgan's law say you A complement intersection B complement is A union B complement. A complement union B complement is A intersection B complement. Which formula holds here? This one. A complement intersection B complement. So what shall I write here? Then I have to write, this is P and copy again. So what I am write? This is probability of E union A complement. This one, it is 1 minus PF. This you know. Okay. So what about this? This is same as, since probability of A complement 1 minus PA. This concept we are using here. What about the same thing? Imagine this is 1. So that will be 1 minus probability E union F by PF. Okay, what is union formula? That is 1 minus PE plus PF minus 1 minus P E intersection F by 1 minus P. This value is given, this value is given, this value is given, this value is given. Put it, find out. So remaining question we'll do tomorrow.